quick wash there, middle of winter, barely winter. It's 39 degrees. Let me show you something here. Did you know under the warranty information booklet from your Dodge Challenger, Charger, or a Chrysler 300 that all SRT models were excluded from the 5 years, 60,000 miles, or 100,000 kilometers powertrain warranty, and were only covered by the 3-year or 3660 basic warranty? What do you think about that? Did you know that in your Challenger user guide on page 45, regarding the break-in period for 6.2 and 6.4, the first 500 miles break-in period should be real slow. But the interesting note is that for the first 1,500 miles, do not participate in track events, sport driving schools, or similar activities during the first 1,500 miles. There you go. On page 212, for the maintenance record of your 3.6 and 5.7, a signature or an authorized service center could log in the change of oil all the way to 15 years and 150,000 miles. But on the 6.2 and on the 6.4 engine, it only goes to 78,000 miles in 78 months. What do you think about that?